Loading application data. Initiating program. Starting program sequence.
Hi and welcome y'all to the first Banditech video blog. This part of my video blog, I will be posting repair videos on different things that I will be doing, such as laptops, desktops, or some other type of electronics I can get my hands on. First, now for the first video today, we'll be replacing this the metal hooks for a HP Pavilion DV5, which my client somehow broke these parts that go right here. These are the hinges. Sorry, this, you can see that this goes right there. And so the new part has already arrived from eBay, so let's start building this baby back. First, this video might be a bit slow since I took this laptop apart a couple of weeks ago for me to get a hold of the part, and it will take me some time to realize which screw goes in where, so just bear with me. The reason I'm doing this is because I didn't find any videos on this through the whole YouTube, so any one of you can now utilize this. There you go. Nope, as I said, this isn't the one that goes through here. It's probably one of the small ones. There it is. I'll remember that this little small ones goes through the sides. Nope, that doesn't go there. I think I need the big screws here. Do I? Nope, it's not it. Let's take this one back. It's the middle screw. So we should do it. Okay, do this. Okay, so got that back in. Let's just see how we put all this stuff together. Let's tape this back on. Here's the connector for the inverter. This, I'm pretty sure, goes down through here. What else? This one. It should be going down through here too. Well, let's put the other part of the screen back on. Well, continuing here, I already put on the connector for the inverter. And due that my client left the computer falling to the floor, then this part, just all the connectors just snapped out of it, so I had to tape it down. So let's see how that works. It's not my fault. So let's put this lid back on. Let's put this connector right here. Goes like so, right there, and got this one over here like that. Snap back, snap this right there. Something is not snapping well together. Start up here. I know it works. Let's deal with this part. Okay, see the problem. Let's just alright, we gotta put the cables down through this hole right there. Finally, and this one the same. Alright, there they go. Snap it all back in. Alright, nice. Now in these 4 holes we gotta put the big screws, so let's go ahead and do that. Gonna pull all these things together. Now I got this covers right here. These are just taped down onto them like so. Alright, now let's put this back.